ELI Language Games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on vocabulary and structures. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: dominoes, bingos, card games, board games. Dominoes. Time for dominoes. A1 level. A variation of the traditional dominoes game. The language goals are learning how to read the time on a clock and practicing the structures needed to ask and tell the time. The box contains 48 domino cards, each showing a clock face and a written time. There are 2 special cards to start the game and close the domino sequence. Shuffle the cards and deal them out to the players. The player with the midday or midnight starting cards starts the game, placing it on the table. Play proceeds with the next player to the right, who plays a connecting card if he or she has one. When a card is played, everyone asks, "What time is it?" and the player has to reply by telling the right time. The following player has no connecting card, so he or she must pass, declaring "Pass." The game continues in this way, going in an anti-clockwise direction. The first player to use up all of his or her cards is the winner. Apart from this basic game, Time for Dominoes offers no less than 6 other different games to play. These are presented in the accompanying game booklet. The instructions for games are extremely simple to follow and are freely available to download from our website too. ELI Games. The more you play, the more you learn.